Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover VARA Network. They just launched their incentivized testnet. This is live and we are going to receive some rewards about that. When they talk about incentivized, that means probably an airdrop, and I'm going to show you in this video exactly how you can apply to this project and this testnet step by step. This is really under the radar. They already have $12 million, so this is not to take it lightly. It could be a very nice airdrop. And I'm going to show you the tokenomics because they have the airdrop there, so this is 100% transparent. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hi crypto fans, well, the VARA network is a standalone layer 1 decentralized network built and running on top of Shear protocol. Shear protocol is also another project which is an infrastructure protocol where VARA is running, so you can check geartech.io if you want to know more about this and how this works. And VARA network enables the best playground for next generation gaming and financial based applications. It's not only to this kind of apps, but it's also concentrated on that niche. And the Shear protocol is a substrate-based smart contract platform that enables anyone to develop and run a DApp in matter of minutes. The Shear protocol is the most developer-friendly way to implement smart contracts with arbitrary logic and of any complexity. Important points about this protocol: VARA network has raised $12 million. In fact, those 12 million is from Shear protocol, but Shear protocol is super connected with VARA. Even if you go to their Twitter, you can see that it's been a comment about VARA. And also, VARA tokenomics confirm a 7% to the airdrops. And you can see that if you go to the documentation, the wiki of VARA network, you can see the information about the VARA token utility and the crypto economics. And here you can see there's a 35% to the community and 7% is going to be an airdrop. So incentivized testnet usually will be for this. And recently they launched already the incentivized testnet, so you can already apply. Going to the step by step, the step 1 is follow them on Twitter or X at VARA network. Here is the link. You will find interesting information about the testnet there, so join them there. And step 2, very important, follow them on Discord. There is a lot about this airdrop in Discord, so you will need to have those channels for VARA network, testnet, updates and discussion, because this is a testnet, guys, so many times the things are not correctly working. Maybe it's not working today, but could be working tomorrow, so you need to get all that information from the Discord. Now the step 3, guys, is that you need a Substrate Wallet. Here I put a link to the VARA documentation so you understand what it's meant by this. But one of those wallets that you can use is a Polkadot wallet. I already have the Polkadot wallet, but I'm going to show you how to install it and download it. It's very similar to MetaMask, but I think this airdrop is really under the radar because not many people is going to add a new wallet at this point. So I think this is a great point for this airdrop. So here on step 3, you have the link to the Chrome extension for the Polkadot wallet, so you can go there, or we can do it on the step 4. Step 4 is we go to the website of the incentivized testnet and we connect our wallet and we sign up. When we connect there, you're going to be pop up to install the Polkadot wallet in that way. So we are going to do that right now. Go in step 4 to this long link. You will need that refer link. It's not my refer link, it's official from the website. The other way to go here to the step 4 is from the website, click on join testnet and you are going to be redirected to the same link that I am posting there. So once that you are here, you can click on choose wallet. In this moment you don't have any wallet, so you will need to install one, and it's sending it to the Polkadot.js organization for the extension. So here you can click on download for Chrome and we have added the extension. So now we can go to the extension of this wallet. So I will click here the wallet on the extension and I will add a new account here. And after you copy your security phrase, you put a name to the wallet and you also put a password to the wallet. You will have already here your wallet. I put it this name. You can put any name that you want. So after this, you already have here your wallet. So now if you come here and you choose the wallet again, you will see you can connect with your Polkadot.js wallet. You have Subwallet, Talisman and Encrypt wallets too for use. That is in the link of the step 5. So now let's connect here using that account, and now you need to complete this information. And after complete that, click on here on this checkbox and sign up. After that, you can go and verify the email that you received, and clicking the link on the mail, you can see my account is verified, and now I am ready to start to do the testnet stuff. Now step 5, we need to go to get Faucet tokens. So step 5, get to the Faucet tab, and here you can click on get test balance, and you can see already claimed. So I have 5,000 tVARA tokens here. Now step 6, we go to the activities tab and we need to do all those tasks. So go to activities and you can specify your Discoin name. You have things to do on Zealy and you can mint an NFT. Then you have the tic-tac-toe game. You can swap the racing car game. And then you have stake tVARA and test the activity from VARA community. So there are many things that you can do here. And here in Zealy, first you have the mission and some guide of what you are doing in the testnet. Many things we already did it, but you can see how you can gain the points of experience. Doing the things on Zealy will automatically move into your testnet points and with the missions on your testnet. So after you read this, you can click here and visit that page, and then you come back here and claim this reward. After you do that, you will be able to start the activities. So register into the incentivized testnet. We already did that. So you need to send a screenshot here with your connected wallet to prove this. So send the proof here, the screenshot that you are connected here, and you already get the Faucet tokens from there. So with that, you can claim this reward. So this is in review. So after that finish, you can continue all the tasks here for the incentivized testnet. Here you have a way to earn bonuses points, some quiz that you still can do more points, and that will be all guys for this. So that will be all. Step 6, which is do the activities and do the Zealy stuff, is all the same. Now I will click here to mint the NFT. So click on there, you're going to be already connected, so accept that and click on mint NFT. And you can see I already minted the NFT. This is the VARA incentivized testnet NFT. So that is great. You probably will need that or a screenshot of this. So take a screenshot for the Zealy, because the next one is complete and mint an NFT. So probably you are going to need the screenshot of that. So take a screenshot after you complete that and continue doing all the different tasks, guys. And then you have step 7, which is in the swap section. You can also swap your bonus tokens into tVARA. This is sometimes not working. So if it's not working, check the Discord like I told you. You will have information when that is working again. But here, instead of going into activities, remember you have my NFTs and you have here the swap section. And you can see that the bonus tokens that you get from doing the missions, you will see those tokens here, up here. So you can trade that for tVARA tokens if you already use it all. And this tVARA is needed to pay for gas in games. To swap the bonus tokens, you need to have at least 250 tVARA on your balance. Take notice of this. If you have your bonus tokens and you need more tVARA, you can use the swap. In any case, I recommend you to do it at least once. So you do also this functionality on the testnet. Well guys, that is basically everything for this incentivized testnet. The step 8 is that they are doing a hackathon and the price is $35,000. So if you want to join, you still can. There's a demo day on 19th of September. Here is a link if you want to enter. More information in the Discord. And the step 9, guys, is give a feedback on the Discord. They have here some specific channels for the VARA testnet. You can see many people put an address and the things that they already did. So you may want to do that just in case. But the most important is to keep up here on the VARA discussion, VARA testnet and VARA updates, so you understand everything that you need to do. Well guys, that is all for this VARA network incentivized testnet. 7% of the supply is confirmed for the airdrop. Total supply is 10 billion. This project is really under the radar and not many people is commenting about VARA testnet, so I recommend you to check it. This could be one of those testnets that pays well. That will be all, and remember, before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications. Don't forget to follow me at CryptoCityState in Twitter. In CryptoCityState on Twitter, you are going to see many things that I post only on that social platform, like not only the videos that I do, but some information that I see online that could be really interesting for you if you are doing airdrops and many other stuff. So keep an eye on my Twitter account so you don't miss anything there. That will be all, and I see you in the next video. Bye.